Hey, this is Frank and Corey with Natural Escapes Landscape Company in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is a job a customer requested to screen in the covered porch, and we added a door for them as well. We have two 15-foot openings here, and on this side we have another 15-foot opening and then a 19-foot opening. Everything is by 9 feet high. First we installed the guardrail that you see on the inside of the screen. Then we installed our snap tracks, I call them, which goes into the wood that we placed down, and brought it all the way up. Came out really nice. And it's fairly simple. We did this in about 2 days. If you take into account the railing, it took us about a week because the railing took a while. But the snap screen went in about 2 days with the tracks as well as the screen portion. That's it from Charlotte, North Carolina.